In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Rockstar Social Club account to your Epic Games account. So first off, let's open up a browser and go to rockstar.com, which is the Rockstar Games website. And then over here, click on the top right where you see the profile icon and sign in if you haven't already. And once you're signed in, now you can click on the top right here and then click on account, then settings. This will take you to your profile page. As you can see, click on linked accounts, and then over here you'll see what you already have linked and what you can link. I know it's blurry, but you can see Xbox, Twitch, Discord, PlayStation, and Amazon, but there is no choice for Epic Games. Therefore, we have to ask the developers of Rockstar to link it manually. So let's click on the top right here, and then click on help, and then support. And then over here, click on submit a request at the top. And then click on account settings, linking, unlinking. Then scroll down until you see submit a ticket. And for the additional details, you should tell them, I want to link my social club to my Epic Games account. Here's my Epic Games ID. And this is crucial because they need your Epic Games ID to identify your Epic Games account. So let's give them the Epic Games ID. Let's go to Epic Games. And then over here, click on your profile and then click on account. And let's sign in real quick. And once we're in, we're going to see our ID right here. So make sure this is actually the account that you have Rockstar in, or you have GTA or whatever Rockstar game you have in. So just copy this ID and then go back to the submit request and then paste in this ID right here, and that's it. So now you can click submit a ticket, and the developers should reach out to you and link your account manually. That's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.